Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of God, the compassionate, the most merciful. Dear students, grade 6, welcome to our period. This is the first period in our unit 1. Okay, the title of unit 1 is A Famous Artist. In this unit, we are going to read about a famous Kuwaiti artist. He is Ayub Hussein. Okay. Ayub Hussein was a famous Kuwaiti artist. This man painted many pictures about all the Kuwait. And he was the first man to found the Kuwaiti Museum. Before reading about this famous man, let's ask you some questions. In front of us, a painting about all the Kuwait. This painting was painted by this great man, Ayub Hussein. Okay, please try to describe this picture. What can you see in this picture? Do you like it? Why and why not? Who can describe this picture? Okay, we can see a baby sleeping. Okay. Also, we can see a blanket. What else? We can see a wooden box. There is a hat. Okay. This painting was painted by Ayub Hussein. Do you like this picture? Why? I like this picture because it's very fantastic. Okay. It tells us about all the Kuwait. Okay, if you don't like this picture, you are free to express your opinion, okay, and mention your reasons. Okay, before we read about Ayub Hussein, we are going to present some new words. These words are model, a noun. The second word is soundly, an adverb. The third word is palm leaves, a noun. The fourth word is passed away, a phrasal verb. The fifth word is cot, as we see in the picture, a small bed for babies. Okay. The sixth word is show, a verb. Let's present these words one by one. Please pay attention with me. Open your notebook and write these words, okay, one by one. The first word, model. Model. Model is a noun. Okay, to guess the meaning of this word, look at this picture, please. In front of us, some models about all the Kuwait towers. Okay, Ali made a model of Kuwait towers. Model. When you use some things like plastic, papers, and make or paint or build something like a tower, a plane, and so on. Okay, model. The second word is cot. Cot. Cot is a noun. Cot is a noun. Okay, as we see in this picture, a bed for babies. We put a cot for our new baby. Okay, I think it's very clear. The third word is palm leaves. Palm leaves. Okay. Women used palm leaves in making baskets in all the Kuwait. In front of us, a picture of palm leaves. Okay. Let's complete. Passed away. Passed away. A phrasal verb means died. Grandpa passed away last month. Okay, passed away. The next word is soundly. Soundly. Soundly is an adverb. It means deeply and quietly. The baby is sleeping soundly. Okay? The baby is sleeping soundly. He is sleeping deeply. Okay. Very quiet. The next word is the verb shall. Shall is a verb, it means to clarify. Please show me the way to the hospital, please. If you don't know the way to any place, you will ask someone in the street, asking him to show you the way to this place. Show me, okay? Okay, now after presenting these new words in this lesson, let's read about this great man. In front of us, the picture of Ayub Hussein, the famous artist. Ayub Hussein, the famous artist, painted this picture. He was born in Kuwait in 1932. He used to be a teacher. Okay? In 1956, he was the first person to work at Kuwait Museum. He built models of old Kuwaiti buildings. He has painted over 600 paintings about old Kuwait. Ayub Hussein passed away at the age of 79. Okay, Ayub Hussein died at the age of 79. This painting shows a baby sleeping soundly. Okay? Decades ago, many years ago, when a baby was born, the parents didn't used to buy a cot. What did they do? They used to put lots of clothes in a large basket, as we see in this picture. Okay? The baby used to sleep in it for about 10 days. Then the parents put the baby a manaz or a karoka. A manaz or a karoka are some Persian words, means small beds for babies. Okay? These two names were used in Kuwait in the past. If you ask your grandparents about these two words, they will tell you. They used them for babies in the past. Okay? As beds. A manaz used to be made of palm leaves, as we see in this picture. Okay? But a karuka used to be made of what? A karuka used to be made of what? Okay. Now please, after reading this text about Ayub Hussein, let's answer these questions. Please hold your pencils and try to write the answers to these questions. The first question is, what is the best title for this passage? Who can give me a title for this passage? Yes, okay, a famous artist. Okay, if you want to put a title for any passage, please put a general word. A general word. The title must be general. Okay, the word which includes the all meanings. Okay, and all ideas inside the text. Okay, all details of this text is talking about a famous artist. Okay. Now let's go to the second question. Where did babies used to sleep in the past? Who can give me the answer? Excellent. Okay, babies in the past used to sleep in a manaz or a karuka. Excellent. Manaz or a karuka are equal to cots in these days. The third question. What does the underlined pronoun they refer to? Let's go back to the text again, please. They used to put lots of clothes in a large basket. What does this pronoun refer to? To know this, please read the first sentence before it. Okay, decades ago, when a baby was born, the parents didn't used to buy a coat. They used to put lots of clothes. Okay, so the pronoun there refers to the parents, father and mother. Excellent. Okay. Let's go to the fourth question. Would you like to be an artist? Why and why not? For me, I'd like to be an artist because I like painting. Excellent. Okay? May someone else says, I don't like to be an artist. I don't like painting. Okay? Let's go on. Please quickly revise these new vocabularies with me again. Model, soundly, palm leaves, passed away, cut, show. Excellent. Okay, now after reading a text about Ayub Hussein, please open the first page in your workbook. Okay, to apply some exercises on this page. True or false? Okay, read the sentence and tell me true or false. The first sentence, Ayub Hussein was born over 70 years ago. Rewrite the false sentences. Okay, so they are true. Ayub Hussein was born over 70 years ago. True or false? He was born in 1932, so he was born over than 70 years ago. Correct. Okay, the first sentence is true. Let's read the second sentence. He used to work in a school. Ayub Hussein was a teacher. Okay, so he used to work in a school. Excellent. Correct. The third sentence, he paints pictures of modern Kuwait. Ayub Hussein paints pictures of modern Kuwait. Yes or no? No. Excellent. Okay, Ayub Hussein painted pictures of old Kuwait, not modern Kuwait. The fourth sentence, he built Kuwait Museum. Yes or no? Ayub Hussein didn't build the Kuwait Museum, but he was the first man or the first person to work at Kuwait Museum. So this sentence is incorrect. Okay. Number 5. He was 34 when he started working at Kuwait Museum. 34. In the text we said he started working at Kuwait Museum in 1954. Okay? Ayub Hussein was born in 1932. So when he started working at Kuwait Museum, how old was he? Who can give me the answer? Yes, 24. 24. So this sentence is incorrect. Now please let's rewrite the false sentences. Rewrite number 3, 4, and 5. Okay. 1 true, 2 true, 3 false. Okay. The correct answer is he painted pictures of old Kuwait. Number 4, he was the first person to work at Kuwait Museum, not the first one to build Kuwait Museum. Number 5, okay, is false. Okay, the correct answer is he was 24 when he started working at Kuwait Museum. Okay, please write the answers, please, and pay attention with me. Quickly, please, pay attention with me. Hold your pencils, write the answers in your workbook. Okay,